given that we have an f of x and a g of x, the question is asking us to find f minus g of negative 9. There's several different ways to do this, but the way I choose to do it is to find out what f of negative 9 is, and I'm going to also find out what g of negative 9 is. So let me do that. So to find what f of negative 9 is, I took f of x, and where there was an x in f of x, so right there at x squared, I plugged in negative 9 right there. So negative 9, I had to square it, became positive 81, and then I still had to do the minus 1 to get the number 80. For g of negative 9, notice finding g of negative 9 has nothing to do with this number 80 right here. You plug negative 9 into g of x. So that's 14 minus x. In this case, it's going to be 14 minus negative 9. So I have a number for f of negative 9, and I have a number for g of negative 9. And so what I will need to do is subtract those numbers that I found. So f minus g of negative 9 will equal f of negative 9 minus g of negative 9, which I've already found, to be 80 minus 23, which is 57.